Hey everyone, welcome back to Car Review Hub 2025. Today, we're diving into one of the most iconic names in American automotive history, the legendary Ford Thunderbird, reborn for 2026. Yes, the T-Bird is back, and this time, it's not just a car, it's a statement. Ford has blended heritage with high-tech innovation to create something that looks retro, drives futuristic, and feels downright unforgettable. So buckle up, this is the full review of the 2026 Ford Thunderbird. And trust me, you'll want to stick around till the end for my final verdict. Let's kick things off with the design, because that's where this new Thunderbird immediately grabs your attention. At first glance, it's clear Ford wanted to pay tribute to the classic coupe silhouette that made the original famous. The long hood, short rear deck, and elegant proportions scream vintage American Grand Tourer, but with modern curves and aerodynamic finesse. Up front, the bold, illuminated Thunderbird emblem sits proudly in the center of a sleek, frameless grille. The LED headlights feature a dual-strip signature design that looks sharp, almost bird-like, a nod to the car's name. The side profile is simply gorgeous, low-slung, with flowing character lines that accentuate the car's muscular stance. Ford offers it in some stunning paint options, but the most talked-about color in U.S. showrooms right now is deep sky blue metallic, which perfectly complements the car's sculpted lines. The chrome accents around the windows and door handles add just enough nostalgia without feeling overdone. And those wheels, massive 21-inch alloys with turbine-inspired spokes, really bring the modern retro aesthetic together beautifully. At the rear, the 2026 Thunderbird continues to impress. The full-width taillight bar glows with an elegant red sweep when illuminated, and the subtle ducktail spoiler adds a sporty touch. Twin exhausts on the performance trims remind you this isn't just about looks, it's about presence, power, and prestige. Overall, the exterior design strikes that sweet balance between classic charm and 21st century aggression. It's sophisticated, it's daring, and it's absolutely unforgettable. Step inside, and the Thunderbird continues to deliver that luxurious, nostalgic magic. The cabin greets you with a blend of premium leather, brushed aluminum, and sustainable wood accents. It feels handcrafted, yet futuristic. The dashboard is clean and elegant, dominated by a curved 15-inch center touchscreen that flows seamlessly into a 12-inch digital driver display. Everything feels cohesive, driver-focused, and high-end. The seats are something special too. Sculpted for comfort, wrapped in quilted Napa leather, and featuring heating, ventilation, and even a massage function. You'll find the Thunderbird logo subtly embossed into the headrests, a small touch that feels exclusive and classy. Ford also worked hard on cabin acoustics, using double-paned glass and active noise cancellation to create a quiet, refined driving experience. When it comes to space, the Thunderbird is more of a grand tourer than a full-on sports car, so the rear seats are best for shorter trips or extra luggage. But the trunk is surprisingly usable for a coupe, enough for weekend bags or even a golf set. Now let's talk about what's under the hood, because this is where things get truly exciting. The 2026 Ford Thunderbird comes with two main powertrain options. The first is a 3-liter twin-turbo V6 hybrid, producing a remarkable 480 horsepower and 510 pound-feet of torque, paired with a smooth 10-speed automatic transmission. This setup allows a 0 to 60 mile-per-hour sprint in just 3.8 seconds, which makes it one of the quickest Thunderbirds ever made. For those leaning toward the future, there's also a fully electric Thunderbird, EV, built on Ford's advanced MEB Plus platform. It delivers up to 600 horsepower, instant torque, and an estimated 310-mile range on a full charge. Fast charging takes you from 10% to 80% in under 25 minutes, which is impressive for a grand touring coupe. Both versions feature adaptive suspension, torque vectoring, and a near-perfect weight distribution that ensures confident handling whether you're cruising highways or carving through corners. The ride quality is smooth and composed, striking a perfect balance between sporty and luxurious. On the technology and safety front, Ford has packed this car with all the latest innovations. You get Blue Cruise 2.0, Ford's hands-free highway driving system, offering semi-autonomous control on mapped interstates. There's also adaptive cruise control, lane centering assist, a 360-degree camera, and an intelligent parking system that can even parallel park for you. The infotainment system runs on Ford's latest Sync 5, supporting wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, over-the-air updates, and even personalized driving profiles. The available Bang & Olufsen 14-speaker sound system delivers crisp, immersive audio that makes every drive feel like a concert. The ambient lighting system lets you customize the cabin's glow, while the digital gauges can display everything from navigation maps to performance metrics in real time. There's even a heritage mode that changes the instrument cluster into a classic analog-style look, inspired by the 1955 Thunderbird. It's those small touches that really make this car special. Now, let's talk about pricing and trims. The 2026 Ford Thunderbird lineup starts around $54,000 for the base premium trim, offering a solid blend of luxury and performance. Step up to the Thunderbird GT, priced at roughly $69,000, and you get upgraded wheels, adaptive dampers, and more aggressive styling cues. At the top of the line sits the Thunderbird Platinum and Thunderbird EV Performance, ranging from $82,000 to $94,000, offering the full suite of advanced tech, top-tier materials, and maximum power output. For what you get, these prices are highly competitive in the luxury coupe segment. So, what's the final verdict on the 2026 Ford Thunderbird? Ford has pulled off something extraordinary here. A perfect revival of an American icon. It's got the looks that turn heads, the luxury that pampers, the power that thrills, and the technology that feels next generation. Whether you choose the hybrid for that grand touring feel or the EV for futuristic performance, the new Thunderbird delivers pure driving emotion wrapped in elegance. This car isn't just a return, it's a rebirth. The 2026 Ford Thunderbird proves that legends don't fade, they evolve. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Car Review Hub 2025 for more deep dive reviews on the hottest cars hitting the road. Tell us in the comments, would you go for the hybrid or the electric Thunderbird? Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one, where innovation meets performance right here on Car Review Hub 2025.